Welcome back to Def by 4. The LS swap is a popular engine replacement process that has been around for decades. It involves taking a high-performance engine from General Motors' LS line of engines and replacing the original engine in a vehicle. This kind of swap has become increasingly popular in recent years due to the fact that the LS engine is lighter, more powerful, and more efficient than many of the factory engines that were originally installed in vehicles. In this video, we'll discuss the history of the LS swap, how it's done, and what the benefits are of doing a swap. But first, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. The early history of the LS swap. The LS swap was first developed in the late 1980s and early 1990s when General Motors was developing its new line of high-performance engines. The LS engine was designed to be a lighter, more powerful, and more efficient engine than its predecessors. This made it an attractive option for those looking to upgrade their vehicles. The LS engine was first introduced in the Chevrolet Corvette in 1997 and quickly became popular with performance enthusiasts. As the engine was used in more and more vehicles, the LS swap began to gain popularity. In the early 2000s, it began to be used in a wide variety of cars, trucks, and SUVs. The benefits of an LS swap. The LS engine is lighter and more efficient than many of the factory engines that were originally installed in vehicles. This means that it can provide more horsepower and torque than the original engine, while still providing improved fuel economy. Additionally, the LS engine can be tuned to produce even more power than the factory setup. Another benefit of the LS swap is that it can be done relatively cheaply. While the LS engine itself can be expensive, the other parts necessary for a swap are relatively inexpensive. This makes it a great option for those looking to upgrade their vehicles without breaking the bank. How to do an LS swap. Doing an LS swap is a relatively straightforward process, although it does require some mechanical knowledge and experience. The first step is to select the LS engine that you want to use for the swap. It's important to make sure that the engine is compatible with the vehicle you're swapping it into. Next, you'll need to acquire the necessary parts for the swap. This includes the engine, transmission, exhaust, and other components. Once all of the parts are acquired, you'll need to install them into the vehicle. This can be done by a professional mechanic or by someone with mechanical experience. Finally, the engine needs to be tuned and the engine management system needs to be set up. This will ensure that the engine is running properly and is producing the desired power output. In conclusion, the LS swap is a popular engine replacement process that has been around for decades. It involves replacing the original engine in a vehicle with a high-performance engine from General Motors' LS line of engines. This kind of swap has become increasingly popular in recent years due to the fact that the LS engine is lighter, more powerful, and more efficient than many of the factory engines that were originally installed in vehicles. Additionally, it can be done relatively cheaply, making it a great option for those looking to upgrade their vehicles without breaking the bank. If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle, an LS swap is definitely something worth considering. Thanks for watching Def by 4. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And always enjoy the ride.